Hi friends, we have given equation a plus b is equal to square root of 31 plus ab. We have to find out value of a and b, right? So first, squaring on both the sides. A plus b whole square is equal to square root of 31 plus ab whole square, right? If we expand this, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 31 plus ab, right? Now a square plus b square, this and this. Now we have only ab is equal to 31, right? A square plus b square plus ab. If we add b square over 4 on both the sides is equal to 31 plus b square over 4, right? We have add this on both sides, right? Now if we rearrange a square plus this b square over 4 plus ab plus b square is equal to 31 plus b square over 4, right? Now we can write in place of these terms a plus b over 2 whole square, right? Because if we expand this, we get this plus b square is equal to 31 plus b square over 4, right? Now 2 LCM 2a plus b whole square plus b square is equal to 31 plus b square over 4, right? Now if we break this, we can write 2a plus b whole square over 2 4, right? Plus b square is equal to 31 plus b square over 4, right? Now if we multiply whole equation by 4, right, we get 2a plus b whole square plus 4b square is equal to 31 into 4 124 plus b square, right? Now 2a plus b whole square, this and this, plus 3b square is equal to 124, right? Now 2a plus b whole square plus square root of 3b whole square, right, is equal to, we can write 124 as 121 plus 3, right? So 21 is 11 square plus this 3 can be written as root 3 square, right? Now we can say this part is equal to this 2a plus b whole square is equal to 11 square, right? And this is equal to this square root of 3 into b square is equal to square root of 3 square, right? Now square root of 3b will be equal to square root of 3, right? So b is equal to 1. Okay, now here 2a plus b is equal to 11, right? H b equal to 1, so 2a plus 1 is equal to 11, right? So 2a is equal to 10 or a is equal to 5, right? So we have find values of a and b, right? B is 1 and a is 5. Okay.